How to fix Apex Legends Mobile not compatible with this device issue. 1. Ensure your device meets the minimum system requirements. Upgrade or change your hardware if needed. 2. Ensure your device is one of devices that have official support for the game. Vivo, Oppo, Huawei, Motorola, Samsung, Lenovo, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Apple, etc. 3. Disable Google Play Protect. 4. Clear all data that was created by Google Services Framework. 5. Clear all Google Play Store data. 6. Update your Android phone. 7. Download the APK type game from third-party sites.